Hello and welcome to this demo on the new functionality for IMS.ai that we've been building out over the last year. And we have the latest and greatest here, and we'd like to share that with you. So what it is we have an AI that's built in Archibus that is beyond just chatbot stuff. Like you can literally get work done in the system by just using natural language. You can either type your questions in or you can interact with it via voice, which I'll probably do a little bit of both on here, probably more voice. And there's a whole bunch of different things we can do in here. So let's jump in and take a look. So it knows who's logged in here because I'm logged in to Archibus. So it's only going to allow me to do the items that my role is allowed to do in the system. So people won't be able to come in here and create work orders and things unless they have the ability to do that with their role. It also knows what page I'm on. So right now I'm on the home page, but if I, jumped over here to the maintenance console, the AI knows which page I'm on. So it knows that I'm probably going to ask questions about that particular page. Not necessarily always, you don't have to, but it is intuitive that way. So the way you use it is down here in the right-hand corner, you'll see this little blue dot. And this is our, if I hover over it, you'll see it's the IMS.ai assist. And we can open this up and we get our chat bot essentially. So we can either type our questions down here in the text area, or we can make a phone call essentially to either Mike or Ruby. They react the same way. It's just different voice. I guess I'll just leave it on Mike for right now. And let's do the first test spin here. So I'm going to call up Mike.
Hi, CJ. I'm Mike from IMS Consulting. How can I help you today?
Hey, Mike, how's it going today? It's a little bit cold in my office.
Hey, I'm doing well, and I'm sorry to hear you're chilly. Have you tried adjusting the thermostat or vents in your room, or is it not responding at all?
I'm not even sure what the thermostat is.
No worries, CJ. We can figure this out. How about I help you create a work request to have someone check the heating in your office? Are we talking about your office in building AB, floor 01, room 102, or somewhere else?
No, that's correct. Room 102. Thank you.
Got it. Before I submit that, could you tell me a bit more about what you're experiencing? Like, is the heat not coming on at all, or is it just cooler than you'd expect?
It's just cooler than I'd expect.
All right, CJ. I'll put in a request for the temperature adjustment in your office, room 102. Does that sound good to you?
Yes, please.
All set, CJ. Work request number 115004499 has been created for you. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that'll do it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay warm and feel free to reach out anytime. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks. All right, so I'm going to hit end call there. But you can see now we have this side panel that slides out here, and it'll give us the details about the work request that we just put in. So we'll get the code, we get the problem type, the location, which is my office, which it knows because I'm logged in with my user role in Archibus. I can also see the description of the work, which is pretty detailed, probably better than most people kind of put in on their own. It hasn't been assigned to a craftsperson yet, so there's no craftsperson yet or any comments or anything yet, but it's in the queue and ready for somebody to work on. So, all right, so that's creating a work request in the system. The other thing we can do is, as a technician, I could come in here and load up a picture. So maybe I have a problem, I'm working on a piece of equipment. I can load up a picture of that piece of equipment and the AI can help me determine, what needs to happen and then create work requests if need be and whatnot. So let me attach a picture real quick. I'll say, can you take a look at this pic and tell me what the problem is? All right, so it looks like I've uploaded a picture of a dirty filter. Actually, that's the name of the file. So it looks like you need to create a work request to have the dirty filter cleaned or replaced. Yes, please. I'll have it create another work request for me. All right, so it prepared this work request for me. You can review the details on your screen. Yep, I got it over here. Dirty air filter needs cleaning or replaced. Photo is attached, so it went ahead and just grabbed my photo and attached it to the work request. And I'll say, yes, create, please. All right, and now you can see over here in our side panel, it went from pending to the actual work request. And I see all the details. It's a work request ending in 4500. Problem type HVAC. That's my office there, and it goes to the Bedford team, and it's a dirty air filter. No craftsperson assigned to it yet, but we could also do that in the system as well. All right, so that's the photo analyst. Okay, so I'm going to start a new conversation here, and I'll also call out quickly that down the left-hand side here, you'll have all of your history, so all of your past conversations. So if you come in tomorrow morning and you're like, let me jump back into something I was talking with the AI about yesterday, I can easily find that here in the conversations section here. So I mentioned a minute ago that we can assign craftspeople to work orders with IMS.ai. We can do that, and we can actually do it in bulk too. So I'm going to take a shot at that right now. So let's call up Mike.
Hi, CJ. I'm Mike from IMS Consulting. How can I help you today?
Hey, Mike, how many electrical work requests do I have in the assigned to work request status?
You've got 3 electrical requests currently in the assigned to work order status. One is for the hallway light, another for the light bulb in your office, and the third is for an outlet not working in room 359 on the 3rd floor. Anything else you'd like to go over?
Can we get a technician assigned to those?
Sure thing. Do you have someone specific in mind, or would you like me to check who's available from the team and recommend a tech for you?
Yeah, could you recommend one, please?
Sure thing. Let me check who's available for electrical work right now. Give me a moment to look that up. I found a few options. Pat has a lot of active assignments, so they're experienced but busy. Someone listed simply as craftsperson has just one active job, and Ruby Sanchez also has one assignment. Any of those sound good to you, or do you want more details?
No, let's assign them to Ruby.
All right, I'll assign Ruby Sanchez to those requests. Let's start with one, say the hallway light issue, WR15000456 I'll just confirm. Assign Ruby to that work request. Sound right?
Yes, please.
Done. Ruby Sanchez is now assigned to work request 11500456. Ready for me to assign her to the other 2 requests as well?
Yes.
All set. Ruby's now assigned to both the office light bulb and the outlet issue as well. Anything else on your mind, CJ?
No, that'll do it. Thank you.
No problem. Happy to help. Have a great rest of your day, CJ.
Okay, I'm going to end that call. Okay, so now let's jump over to, get out of here. Let me jump over to the space console. So we've trained the AI to help us with space management issues as well, or tasks. So let's see, I'm going to fire up the assistant here. It knows now that I'm in the space console. I'll hit that I'm going to start a new conversation here. And let's call up Ruby this time.
Hi, CJ. I'm Ruby from IMS Consulting. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ruby. How you doing? Could you show me what my underutilized space is in the Boston Medical Center?
Sure thing, CJ. Boston Medical Center is running about 87% full overall. Out of 253 occupiable rooms, 36 are vacant and 9 have space for more people. I can show you a floor plan or help drill into specific vacant offices if you'd like. Just let me know what you want to explore.
Yeah, can you show me the vacant offices on the first floor?
Right, I've highlighted the vacant offices on the first floor of Boston Medical Center for you in the floor plan. You should see rooms 103, 104, 105, and so on up through 137. Let me know if you want details on any specific room.
No, that'll do it. Thank you very much.
Nope.
cut her off, but let me let me show you here. So what happens is we have this visual side panel. So when you ask questions around, floor plans and whatnot, it'll load it up here to the right-hand side, and then you can do things like, in this case, highlight all the rooms that are vacant, and now I can move people into those rooms or whatnot. Um, and then I can also save this, and I can print it off as a PDF if I wanted to grab this and use it in a presentation for a meeting or email it to a colleague or whatnot. Um, all right, let me try this one. I'm going to set up a new one. I'm going to flip over to move this over here. Jump back over to Mike.
Hi, CJ. I'm Mike from IMS Consulting. How can I help you today?
Hey, Mike, how's it going? Hey, could you show me on the floor plan where my office is?
All set. I've pulled up the floor plan for Building AB, highlighted your office in room 102 on the first floor. You should see it on your screen now. Anything else you'd like to check out?
Yeah, I see it. Is there any conference rooms on this floor?
There's one conference room on this floor, room 159. Want me to highlight it on the floor plan too?
Yes, please.
Done. You should now see both your office, room 102, and the conference room, room 159, highlighted on the floor plan. Anything else you'd like to explore?
Yeah, could I book that conference room?
Sure thing. What date and time range are you looking to book it for?
How about tomorrow at 1 p.m.?
Got it. How long would you like to reserve the conference room for? An hour, 2 hours, or something else?
2 hours.
Good news. Room 159 is available tomorrow from 1 to 3 p.m. Shall I go ahead and book it for you?
Yes, please.
Your reservation is all set. Reservation number 334. Anything else I can help you with?
Oh, actually, yeah. Could you just show me on the floor plan there how I can get from my office to that conference room?
I've highlighted the route from your office room 102 to the conference room 159 on the floor plan. You should see the path on your screen now. Need anything else?
No, that'll do it. Thank you.
You're welcome, CJ. Have a great day, and just give me a shout if you need anything else.
All right. So in that case, I was able to find my office, book a conference room near my office, and then do some wayfinding, find my way over to that office, in case I didn't know. So let's do one more. Another one is move requests. So let me start a new conversation here. Switch over to Ruby this time.
Hi, CJ. I'm Ruby from IMS Consulting. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ruby. How you doing? I need some help with a move request.
Hey, CJ. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What kind of help do you need with the move request? Are you looking to check on your own move, request a new one, or something else?
Request a new one. I want to move a colleague closer to me.
Gotcha. I can help with that. Who's the colleague you want to move?
It'd be how you.
Got it. I found How You in the system. He's currently in room 127 on your floor. Where would you like him to move? Right next to you in room 102? Or did you have another room in mind?
Well, could you show me on the floor plan what's available around my office?
All right, I've pulled up the floor plan for building AB, floor 01 in your chat panel. You can see your room 102 and Howe's room 127, plus a bunch of vacant rooms like 103 through 110, and several offices further down the hall.
Could you highlight those on the floor plan for me?
There you go. I've highlighted the vacant rooms on the floor plan so you can see exactly where they are. Take a look and let me know which room you'd like How to move into.
Okay, can we move him into room 118?
Sure thing. When would you like his move to start? We just need a date to set it up.
Probably in 2 weeks.
Got it. 2 weeks from today lands on May 13th. So we'll plan to move How into room 118 starting May 13th. Sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All set, CJ. I've submitted How's move order to room 118 for May 13th. Anything else I can help with?
No, that'll do it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Happy to help. Have a great day, CJ.
You too, thanks. Okay, so as you can see, we can do all kinds of things in this system. We can actually get work done, not just, ask questions about data, but we can actually get the system to create work orders, create move requests, create room reservations. It can analyze photos. One other thing I could do too, and what I'll do, and not that this matters too tremendously, but let me run over here to the maintenance console again and pull up the AI, and I'll start a new chat. And let me flip back over to Mike. Go.
Hi, CJ. I'm Mike from IMS Consulting. How can I help you today?
Hey, Mike, I'm working on my laptop and I'm wondering if you have a manual for an HP laptop.
I see you've got an HP laptop assigned to you. Nice choice. We do have the HP 15 laptop maintenance and service guide. It covers things like the BIOS setup, parts catalog, and more. What specifically do you need help with?
Yeah, I was just looking for a diagram.
Got it. This guide includes an illustrated parts catalog with diagrams of the major components on page 26. I've sent the full PDF to your chat panel so you can view that diagram in detail. Anything else you want to look up?
No, that'll do it. Thank you.
Sure thing, CJ. Glad to help. Let me know anytime you need something.
Okay, so in this instance, I was able to pull up this manual or user manual for an HP 15 laptop. I can either view it here in the chat, or it brings it up here in our side panel. I can also download this and send it to somebody or whatnot. And then you could do this with all pieces of equipment. So maybe you have a technician out in the field working on an air handler unit, and you want to put in a train or a York air handling unit document or manual in there. You can load those in, and then your technicians have access to them. So kind of a cool little perk here. So I think that concludes this demo. We made a bunch of improvements to the system. Like I said a couple of times now, like you really can get work done with this. It's not just asking the chat about your data. It really is that plus I can actually get in here and create work and get work done. So thank you very much. If you want to learn more, just reach out to us and we can give you a personal demo. So have a great day. Thank you.